What does inherent mean? Narinig mo na ba to? Discuss natin. Inherent is an adjective o salitang naglalarawan. It comes from the Latin word inerantum, which comes from inerrans, meaning fixed or not wandering. In means not or without. Errance means to wander or go astray. Figuratively, to be in error. So inerrant means without error. It has the same meaning as unerring and infallible. Its opposite is erroneous. Let's use it in a sentence. The Bible is the inerrant word of God, or the Bible is inerrant. That means the Bible is without error. Madaling tandaan yan kapag hinimay natin. In, without, error. Inerrant, without error. Sa Tagalog, walang pagkakamali. Pwede ka rin gumawa ng sarili mong sentence ngayong alam mo ng ibig sabihin ng inerrant.